If you still have your F-150 factory running boards, this is why a lot of people change them. Look at this, fading away, they flex, they look bulky and ugly. Now, welcome to TonnoFlip shop. We're gonna be replacing these factory running boards with the brand new TFP Nerf bars. Look at the difference, guys. These are the factory running boards made of plastic. We have the new TFP Nerf bars here, made of aluminum, real light in comparison to the factory ones. This is gonna be a very easy installation using the factory threaded hose that comes in the F-150. No modifications needed, using the same factory bolts here. Only 6 bolts. And that's it. This installation should take about 30 minutes. Anyone can do it using the factory hose on the F-150. Look at this. Look at the difference here. Factory ones, very ugly. I cannot say nothing else. Look, guys, perfect. You get on the truck, very easy. 2 steps here. Looking very aggressive and nice with the new TFP Nerf bars. Now let's go to the other side. I'm curious about something. A lot of people ask about the weight. Now I'm gonna put them on the scale. These are the factory running boards that just came out of the truck. 10 pounds. Let's see how much the TonnoFlip Nerf bars weigh, made of aluminum. And we get 5.7 pounds, guys. So you're getting a stronger, cleaner looking bar without adding any extra weight to the truck. Less weight helps with the daily driving and fuel efficiency, but you still get the strength and stability when you step on it. TonnoFlip new Nerf bars for your F-150. That's a solid upgrade, lighter, stronger, and better looking. Look at this, guys. Almost half the weight against the factory running boards. And let's take it outside once we finish so you can see how they look. Just finished with the installation with a cleaner look, lighter weight, and a better engineered design. This is why these Nerf bars are lighter than the factory ones. Another advantage of having the TonnoFlip Nerf bars. Let's take it outside so you can see how it looks. It looks like a whole different truck now with the TFP Nerf bars. Look at that, perfect fitment, better engineered for lighter weight. Now we're gonna be speaking about another mod that we installed today on this F-150, and that's gonna be the hard folding tonneau cover by TonnoFlip. Look at that, guys. The hard folding TonnoFlip tonneau cover. We have handles here instead of a cable, one hand operation, aluminum panels with a lifetime warranty. We get 2 prop rocks, 1 on each side, so you can drive with the cover fully open. I'm gonna close it up so you can see how flush it sits on this F-150. Look, our folding tonneau cover, it holds up to 800 pounds of weight. Now with the TFP Nerf bars and the TonnoFlip tonneau cover, this F-150 is completely covered here at TonnoFlip shop. Remember, if you like pickup trucks, subscribe to this channel, TonnoFlip. We're gonna be uploading videos every day of all our products so you can see the quality, the installation, and everything about TonnoFlip.